Less than 24 hours before Samsung's biggest launch of the year, and boom! A massive Galaxy S25 Ultra leak just revealed everything. Buckle up because this changes the game. S Pen upgrade. First up, the S Pen. Samsung's doubling down on precision. The new 1.5mm tip crushes last year's 0.7mm, promising buttery smooth writing and drawing. But here's the shocker. Bluetooth functionality might be gone. No air actions, no remote shutter. An Amazon listing briefly exposed the S25 Ultra's S Pen with zero mention of Bluetooth, and Samsung's staying suspiciously quiet. Camera and audio upgrades. Now let's dissect that leaked promo video. Low-light nightography video? Supercharged. Think Google's Video Boost, but Samsung style. And meet your new editing weapon, Audio Eraser. This AI tool surgically removes background noise, voices, even wind, giving your video studio quality sound. Query order alert. Wait before we continue. Today's your last chance to reserve the S25 Ultra for free. Score a 50 pre-order credit and a shot at Samsung's 5,000 giveaway. Link in the description. Don't sleep on this. Section 3. AI and software. Google's Gemini isn't just baked in, it's the secret sauce. Text a friend about dinner plans? Gemini fires back with full restaurant recs. It's deeply woven into notes and messages too. Plus, Now Brief delivers hyper-personalized updates. Morning weather, commute alerts, even your sleep stats if you're rocking Galaxy wearables. And since it's part of One UI 7, older Galaxy phones might get this love too. Display and RAM display nerds, listen up. ProScaler Tech promises sharper, more vibrant visuals, but we'll believe it when we see it side by side with the S24 Ultra. Brightness still capped at 2,600 nits, despite rumors of 3,000. Oh, and that 16GB RAM variant? Likely Asia only, with Europe and maybe the US left hanging. Battery and charging revolution. Now let's talk power. And no, we don't just mean performance. The S25 Ultra is packing a 5,500 mAh battery with Samsung's new quantum charge technology. 0 to 50% in just 12 minutes? That's not a typo. But here's the kicker. Leaked stress tests showed 20% better longevity than the S24 Ultra under heavy use. Translation: your all-day battery just became an all-weekend battery. The cooling system. Leak. Gamers, this one's for you. Samsung's developed a revolutionary 3D vapor chamber cooling system that's 40% larger than last year's model. Leaked benchmarks show the S25 Ultra maintaining peak performance 30% longer during extended gaming sessions. Fortnite at 120 frames per second? More like Fortnite at 120 frames per second. For hours. Satellite connectivity confirmed. Breaking news just in, that mysterious extra antenna cutout? It's official. Satellite connectivity is coming to the S25 Ultra. While Apple's implementation was limited to emergencies, Samsung's leak suggests full two-way messaging capability. Hiking off-grid? Now you can text like you've got full bars anywhere on the planet. The mystery sensor. Now for the real head-scratcher. Eagle-eyed teardown expert spotted an unlabeled sensor near the camera array. Our sources suggest this could be Samsung's secret weapon, either a revolutionary new health monitoring system or possibly even LiDAR 2.0. Either way, it's clear Samsung's holding one last card up their sleeve for tomorrow's Unpacked event. There you have it. The most comprehensive S25 Ultra leak breakdown anywhere online. But remember, these are just the leaks. Tomorrow's Unpacked event could still hold mind-blowing surprises. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell because we'll be going live the second Samsung makes it official. Drop a comment below. Which of these leaked features has you most excited? For now, I'm Atif Official. We'll see you on the future.